Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching Fruitech. So these are my two devices. On the left is OnePlus 12R and on the right is OnePlus 13R. Both of these devices are running with the different versions of OxygenOS 16. I unlocked the special feature of OxygenOS 16 on both of these devices, which provides numerous abilities to boost productivity on your OxygenOS 16 and any ColorOS 16 devices. We already provided this application and explained its different productivity features in our last video. You will find it via iCard link. But devices which got the latest OxygenOS 16.0.2 V500 weren't able to use the old version of this application, and some users also got some different bugs. But today we came back with the latest version of this application, which is working on any OxygenOS 16 devices, and it has lots of new features that I am going to explain in this video. At the end of this video, we'll also discuss some known bugs of this feature. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Our channel always tries to provide you all useful content to extend the life of your Android devices through different custom mods. We'll also provide the genuine reviews of OnePlus OxygenOS updates, features and many more. So make sure to hit like, hype and share button for this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Now without further delay, let's get started. This application is called as breeno. It's actually ColorOS application and designed to work with ColorOS assistant breeno. But by installing this application, you can use most of important features of this application. Some users who got the latest OxygenOS 16 update were not able to use this application. Like this OnePlus 13R, which got the latest 16.0.2 V500 update and breeno stopped working on it. But we got its new version which should work on any OnePlus device running with any OxygenOS 16 version. You have to just download and install the new version to update it if you are already using its old version. Let's check out what's new we'll get in this new version. Once you install and long press with two finger or any application screen, breeno will get activated with nice screen recognition animation. This new version has some new features whose intro will be available after activation of breeno after updating the application. Let's check out these features. This new version will provide you different tools at the bottom of the screen once breeno is activated, which were not available in a previous version. The first one is breeno AI feature. If you tap on this, it will provide you some AI features of breeno as per the content recognized on the screen. This new breeno has context-specific actions, suggestions like navigate, packages, view, phone numbers, links, tickets, find books, movies and music and many more. Here you can see on this page, the breeno detected the links, numbers and provided suggestions like call, send messages, save contacts, etc. Similarly for the links, you can directly tap on the links detected and can open them in a multi-window. Next is a new feature similar to Google Circle to search, but it is more advanced than this. In this new version, you get this new shortcut. If you tap on this, you can select the specific content on the screen recognized by the breeno. Once you select the content, you get the new pop-up menu having old shortcuts like download, copy and share features. But now we got OnePlus markup feature to edit selected content. You can edit as you want using the stock markup feature and can save that content anytime in any application using this new breeno. This is especially useful for students to take notes or memorize the content with the tags. Next is a new extract text shortcut. If you tap on this shortcut, all the text available on the screen including pictures will be extracted. You can choose any of the required text and can copy, translate or share selected content. Next, new breeno offers new overlay to translate the content. In this overlay, you get the full screen translate option which immediately translates all content present on the screen in a desired language. If you select the partial translate, you can select the desired content using the new selection gesture. So only selected content gets translated. We already discussed how you can use advanced translate feature of breeno in our old video. For detailed review of breeno Translate, please check our old video, its link is given in the description. These are all new features of this new breeno Touch. All other old features like enhanced clarity of images, drag and drop feature to share content anytime with Content Portal, all are working. Let's check out some limitations of this version. breeno Touch doesn't work on home screen, lock screen and on notification and quick setting panel along with camera, except that it works over any system or user applications. This new version has new feature to export selected content as Word or Excel file, but it doesn't work. Similarly, some AI features like Ask Breeno identify objects in images are not working. Both of these features doesn't respond even if you tap on these shortcut options. Though Breeno Touch has some few missing features, but it offers some productive features which will definitely help you to boost productivity of your OnePlus device running with OxygenOS 16. Remember, this application will work without issues on any Oppo devices running with ColorOS 16. For detailed review of other features, you can check our old breeno Touch video where we reviewed the old version of this application. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, share and hype this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.